In a land enriched by volcanic soil where lush greenery thrives, coffee farms come alive at dawn. These farms, scattered globally, each host a dedicated laborer of love, the coffee farmer. An epitome of this universal craft is one farmer and his family, his wife, son, and daughter, all united on this journey. Their daughter, her hands filled with coffee fruits, rushes towards her mother and brother with a bucket who patiently depulp and soak the coffee. Their father, in the meanwhile, rakes the coffee under the sun meticulously, ensuring it dries evenly. The mother and daughter, with their gentle touches, sort the dried beans, picking out any defects. "We aspire for our coffee to be the very best, a source of pride," the farmer says. It's this relentless pursuit of perfection that motivates not just this family, but the best coffee farmers worldwide. Each bean is nurtured, harvested, and sorted with the utmost care and pride. Coffee transcends farm borders, reaching into the homes of coffee lovers across the U.S., continuing to flourish. The odyssey of our coffee beans initiates as they're moved from tranquil farms to the bustling port of Oakland, California. These beans, cradled in giant sacks, each marked proudly with their origin, begin a transformative journey. From here, eager Riverview coffee roasters looks forward to receiving the beans. The roasting process is ready to commence once the beans arrive at the roastery. Each sack is carefully opened, revealing the raw, green beans. These are then placed into the roaster, a device that's not merely a source of heat, but a conductor, guiding the beans through their metamorphosis. Inside the roaster, the beans are jostled about. With each turn, they gradually transition from green to a deep golden brown. The roasting brings out unique flavors and aromas from each bean, akin to a magical display. Once roasted, the beans are cooled and encapsulated in earthy craft bags. They are then prepared for their final journey. The odyssey of our coffee is not merely geographical, but a transformation from raw, green entities to a delightful roast, poised for delivery to your doorstep. With the sun's ascent, a package from Riverview Coffee Roasters graces a customer's front door. The box is promptly moved into the kitchen where the seal is broken, releasing the captivating aroma of fresh coffee beans. Ground into a coarse powder, the beans are soon surrendering their essence to hot water. The room fills with the scent of brewing coffee, both calming and invigorating. The first sip, hot, velvety, and bursting with flavor, astonishes the taste buds. A family member lured by the scent is offered a taste. Their eyes widen in amazement. They inquire its origin. The answer is simple: a single click on a Riverview Coffee Roasters advertisement. A choice that has enriched their coffee routine. The coffee doesn't only meet their caffeine needs, but has become an integral part of their day. Every delivery brings anticipations, and the final sip carries a sense of satisfaction. It's not just the coffee in the cup, but the entire journey from coffee trees in the forest to the way it makes their bodies and minds feel. The next box of coffee's arrival is keenly anticipated by this little puppy. They eagerly breathe in the aroma, a prelude to the upcoming taste adventure. The discovery of the long-awaited package brings a twinkle to their eyes. The receipt of their favorite blend elicits tangible delight. The process of grinding the beans, brewing the drink, and tasting the first sip is a ritual they constantly relish. The Riverview Coffee Roasters brew is not just a drink, it's a cherished daily ritual that offers comfort and joy. More than relishing the coffee, it's about a journey from passionate coffee farmers to their kitchen. It's about touching hearts in the process. Riverview Coffee Roasters is beyond a coffee vendor. It's about changing lives. It's about bringing joy into the homes of Americans nationwide. Well, let's take a closer look at Riverview Coffee Roasters' offerings. They showcase unique coffee varieties, each given a distinctive name. The genuineness of each package speaks volumes about the experience inside. So, don't wait. Grab your Riverview coffee bag today and embark on this extraordinary journey. RiverviewCoffeeRoasters.com